Hello, this is Gabriel with Trenchless Pipelining at 6280 Southwest 5th Court in Plantation, Florida. And right here, what you're looking at is the beginning of the 8.5 foot liner I put in place right here at the beginning of the main line. There's a little bit of plastic here, but that will wash up, no problem. And this is where we started coating for the rest of your main line. And this is the bathroom branch line connection coming in. And this is 6280 Southwest 5th Court in Plantation, Florida, and this is the 51 foot main line.